Today we're going to take this shirt, tie-dye with a transfer, and on the rack for $5. We're going to jazz it up, put a little love into it, and make it a $15 shirt. Distorting tie-dye today on Crapshoot Creations. Alright, Crapshoot here. Gonna try to fix this tie-dye with a transfer on it. We had it on the bargain rack. Nobody was looking at it. So we're gonna try to put a little patang into it. Patang! So basically what I did was fold it in half with the transfer on the front side. Took my ruler, measured down about 2 inches, 3 inches from the armpit. Made a line with your fabric marker. Took the end of the shirt here on the bottom where the seam is. Cut it off. And I basically just cut strips up and down the shirt at an angle. Now what you want to do now, since it's 100% cotton, you open it up. You got your fringe here, and what you want to do is pull these. Once you pull these become nice and tight. Just pull them down. They call this actually you're distorting the shirt. Fringes. So it went to a $5 shirt to a $10 shirt. Less than 10 minutes. There you go. It's nice. Don't worry about these lines because I wash it. The marker comes right out with water. If you don't have these, it's a good thing to have when you're tie-dyeing, doing designs on fabric. Get them anywheres. So what I'm doing here is I separated the back and the front to kick it up a notch. All I'm going to do is take each strand, tie little knots, one single knot right down there. Basically just going like that. You don't want to yank it real fast, push the loop down, get it to the end. Pull it tight. Do it again, look. Down around here, through here, drop the loop down. Pull it tight. Got a little knot in there. Yeah, it'll take a while, but it'll look nice when you get done. Just keep on going. Do the whole thing, back side and the front side. So I went putting knots in each and every one. Ready to go. I'll just throw it in the washer to take out these lines. Put it back on the rack. Tie-dye distortion. The back looks like